Tuesday, right?
Mommy, look, Ryan lost.
Hello guys, please share this video guys. Hello my beautiful people, how not do my lovely people in the house, how not do my people. Oh, no time to check time guys. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. With already the afternoon here, this 12:44. Yeah. My people, I will not do good afternoon. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome, Motola. You are welcome. Thank you very much, my beautiful people. This Vera TV program. Please, as we are coming in, please don't fail to share this video, my lovely people. How not do, guys? So, my people, I greet to appreciate you a lot. I'm gonna know what you want. My reply to Esther. Who they call me now? My reply to Esther.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I did live video for Facebook.
No. Sister, you have Sarah, you just did like the sources. I just forget about
No.
You just did like your sisters, you just did sources.
Not be matter, not hold me, I beg. Not be matter, hold me. Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, good afternoon, my lovely people in the house. So my people, I want to try to share this video, my lovely people. My reply to Esther, yes, because yesterday, my beautiful people, I do a video, try to share. I'm gonna invite and share, guys. I do video yesterday about what they go on when be say for this one when Esther carry for head, nobody near Esther. Esther just sit down because say he want fight for what they call her senior Judah. He want fight for her. Now make Esther come and say carry matter when not be home. She can't put her for head. You understand? So he can't carry the matter. She can't put her for. Try to share this video, guys. So my people, yesterday I got to do a video yesterday, although it's not too long, like 45 or 46 minutes, right? I can't do a video. I can't tell Esther say Esther go come outside, go say go take care of your pikin. Esther go come outside, this one not the baffy pikin. Esther go come outside, go say this one. And I tell Esther say before you try to correct somebody, you need to go correct yourself. Esther not the baffy pikin. Esther not the plate pikin hair. Nothing. What I talk for the people when they get her and when really they wash her, they go know say everything when I talk now truth. So I can't do the video, I can't come out for them. Because Esther not get what time when she go take bath. Like this morning now, she never bath. Like yesterday now, she not get time to take bath. All the time when she not get now to they come out for YouTube data, Facebook, come out for Facebook data. Why your man will say your toto this smell? So after then, I can't get to do the video, I can't leave her. Then she can't come and so now no say I tell her and say as she did, so she not get time, you not get power for saga. I tell you that they say I go put it for back. I use you do. Me winner. Mami ni where ni me women ni me when ye me I not wash my TOTO. I not get one. No me say me I not bath. Me I not wash my TOT. We make I not prepare for body. Make I the fresh good though. But my own be say if you near me I go prepare you to the core. I tell her that they say small time she go come and say leave me alone. No, I tell you now me know her. They know they describe that baby elephant for me. Now me know her. If she don't spoil everywhere, finish you. Leave me alone. Yesterday she do video. Leave me for waste. Oh, they leave you for waste. My people, last 2 months I did on my own. As I did live video, my people they write and say, Esther, you're the cause. So you and Esther get problem. I say no, me I not get any wahala. Last month, if you not watch me last month, I not talk to Esther. Video when I do for my work. Good afternoon, good Bella. Good, thank you. Video when I do for my work, my people. Esther, I be the first person when he carry my video, come they show for people. People when they watch that video, they go no say I'm not the liar. I not talk to Esther. I know insult Esther. I know near Amo. But what did she do? As I do my video finish for my work, she quickly can go take get view, go take talk for her own platform without my consent. I near her like that. This a no gay on of na get and go say no gay, not still reply. He just carry one cause a no gay. Now she take one. Now so she carried the video. I'm gonna share guys. Now so she carried the video. Begin talk nonsense for my own video when I use my strength, my time, they do. She carry and go her platform, she go the use and take the talk. I near her like that. You are welcome, Emily. I near Esther like that. Okay, this one when it happens, so I not still take her only once now do video about Esther. I say, why you go carry me to do video? My video, you go use and do live video. I don't talk once now arrest. Is that one sister they talk about her? But we take her happen the same matter when you're doing on ground now. Well, this boy never get what he do Esther. Esther, when you come outside, when you come talk, may forgive you, may for insult people, may for say you get mad to insult people. now, yesterday, the video when I do finish, I do the video finish. She can't go quickly run, enter again. By the way, oh, you get mad. They never talk to you now, you they run, go they report a no gay. They never talk to you now, they run, they go police station. You see them? They are the people when they be say, if you, they don't want me you talk to them, but they want me that they talk to them, they want me that they bully you. Because she thought, say, you never get paper, you never get this one, you don't need to turn out and lie. That's why you offend the government law. You get right to talk. We are in democracy. You have right to say. If somebody offend you, somebody insult you, or they bully you, no gear, not talk, not quiet, because your wife not be presenter. Those people, they'll you do, they not go curse you, they'll carry, they curse you, they curse your wife, they curse your born baby. Where that one for the happen? Esther, you they lay curse on picking when no put for belly. You don't lay curse on Bobby, they lay curse on small picking. But they never lay the curse for no, go they find one on one room enter. Now there they talk put. I go to tell Esther, say, Esther, what do they do so you know go not kind of person load put for head. Mere you we ne do bue. Now Esther come outside Esther, Esther, before you they talk to people, this one not take care, this one not take care. The one we there with you for you, we might take care. You went piquet there with for abroad there, you not fit take care. Now the one in Africa, you want even fit take care. When no matter where you not fit bath. Your picky, that gas, he get black beauty rich, he black beauty don't black. Esther never feel bad for herself, talk less of, okay, now, make she plate hair, or even the 4 plated, this summer, not be only plate pull load for picky hair. You can pack picky hair with different color. Esther, your boy. Only what Esther need to do most, Esther will just come outside, just pack the hair, all here, go, una not the wash the picky. Una you see here, this place will go come town. Go to an extent. The picky hair go come in chaka. Esther no decision say they bath the picky. Esther no decision say they do the picky. Where you go take maintainer, my people. You know the maintainer. Now I tell her yesterday, say before you go they talk to people. Before you go they talk only 2 picky. You might take bow here. Me manje vous momo. You don't even get to momo. Momo will bo. Momo. But where momo to work here where you the smell. I get momo. But it not be like because who agbon fear of fear mieki. You will not feel bath yourself. You not feel clean yourself up. Esther, now you won't come clean picky up. Now you won't come get time take bath picky, wear a better clothes or even call the pack her hair. Umami obo. It day your video there. Now so pack the picky hair. If I lie, you will the game and say this one not take up. If you even get for Africa, you for not even fit take care. You see. You when get the one when you take they collect money for you. When I take bow okay. Now we take a message when I sent give her yesterday. As she just received the message, she just run enter live video begin the color, begin the man. Esther, make I tell you. As you be, me know you very well. I know say there is a little time. Me tell you say, if I pepper you 1 or 2 times, I know you. You call they say leave me for West, oh, I'm not near you. I know you. Me on where? You day. They never prepare you now. 2 or 3 people never prepare you. Go run enter house. Next time me near you, when you carry my video, when I do go to the get view for your platform. I near you. No, you gonna say make me leave you alone. It's why I will pour. I not go leave you alone. Except when I do my video for my work, I call you say Esther, come carry my video, or you tell me before you carry my video, come find me trouble. If na lie, you not carry my video, take do video, they show up for your platform. May you can't do, may you can't swear put. Now, go. Mona share the video, guys. Una gang up. Begin they call someone Mona by force to become a godson or godson. Is it by force to become a godson? What you no get do now? Wanna not let you no get rest. Okay. Because the Loleka don't receive court paper, now they can't say now Loleka and the movie because you say now you go do one. And the movie can't hide, the Loleka can't hide. You know who was said no when all go when they can make good record. Now people should read the four press for party. Now people should rest at the four press. Every time make good record the webo without be told. Drocker, Mona call here, Mona share the video when yours man. I believe once I be play person record. Yes, they say carry my video. Begin the plan. Your video audio when you take away your husband they disconnect your faculty. May I go find them. Please share this video, guys. As it said, the lake or not say me not the talk waiting not get receipt. Now the man the process that so. And they call my people, we're on office. Mona share. Where the man they cost the life. The man says also cost the family. You know what the man they talk for this record? The man they cost him mama. He say you were talking if they cost Mona share the video, my people. You what is just start? What is working He say every day. Now I started the course. I go the course the family. Esther na kind of person respect she not get. She not get respect. This audio so now the one when he tell him say cassava sumo, and the one when he husband say to say smelly bekus, and as he take call am share wo now the record 9 day here. It day inside here, my people. The man they swear for Esther. Mama say mama will not train you well. You sit down, you they carry people matter up and down. Organic bugwe we mak bejegbe. Umatota no organic bue, umatota no find a solution your way. You now they shoot man for people matter pwe. Make I play on. That's what they pass on ekwe mwe. He said no go by family. No we know who. You hear? Now mama is they swear for so what to go can be jouer. She not be me talking, me not they lie. Guess me man you when no talk. When they lie for people head up and down. I not tell you that and I say that man when he carry come from Italy. The young money when he carry and come when he say the young money carry back to Nigeria. This boy head now got a pack all the tea. He said when he bought this, he first pick this small when he know and pick never to grow. Now they wash it parts, now they wash his shit. If he shit for body, now they do everything. See now, for it to pay him back with good now, insult she called the insulter. Okay, now my beautiful people, this one are good human being, this one are better human being. When you they talk poor, today, he love the shark. Tomorrow, love not the shark. Next tomorrow, you go insult. The other day, you go talk nonsense. My people, if you not hear what this matter, this man, he really lay a ball. He really cause him mama like say tomorrow not day. Because Esther don't have respect. Say that your mama will not train you. We are talking that day. Or which way no matter train you when you even have you usually not do. Or when you have more bug me. Or not let boni jouer. What do you do? Woman maybe rock back because the boy is not lying. Or now more bug me jouer because he way more. Now, you sit down. Carry people matter they talk. Carry my video. Carry no get video. Carry this one video. Carry that one video. Find out they make money up and down. Why you go look here make up and down? If they find video we want to make money, her own matter no hold on. She know they mind her own business where she supposed mind her own business. You not fear. The right say reply to Vera. Now she say reply to you. Because where who bow kati see go straight, you don't get. If you don't do finish, okay, when we tap for ne, us one lay here, you call the head up on that. I tell you now which for you. I say if time reach us, you go say, I know they oh, leave me alone, no. This one leave me alone, no. If I buck here loud, please share this video, my people. If I buck here fear cool, when they come, okay, na police station, you can't go the Dulusha and go the report and okay. Your own don't reach to report when you they cause picking way not near you. Picking way not know anything when not dead the time when you take the fool yourself. That will never even cause of picking and you first start to the cause work out here bonemo. Or my tear bono who when they break a back can, then they push you. I pity all those people. Oh, they come. Oh, correct, sir. Hello? Yeah, go on.
No one know what here. And that for us only Morocco. No, that for making a nice food.
Hey.
And that first only one, only boo.
Hey.
You guys see. Only Morocco. No, we marry me. I will anything like who when you have one. Only Morocco. You know. Yeah, call you with. I mean, yeah, call you with.
Okay.
They call you know this. I must not call you. No, the man run. You know what? I did not want to go on. One not hallelujah, man.
Hey!
Only boo, only Morocco. No.
Hey!
Yeah, call you with.
Okay, okay, my sister.
Well, look, my way in a baby. Actually, go
later. Later. Una de here. He says that say one drive him man say na Igbo polololo. He said yesterday he called, I don't know who called, he called about the pity and say, which kind of thing with the say, I not tell him, I say that woman frustrates. I not tell you, no see better they talk, I say something if they tell us, I say, if I say the serious people go say na lie. Me maka mu wa get like be ma hoy. Because person when you get peace of mind, when you get us, we not they do something, she tell they do something. When I hear what this call at Bini she speak. She said she call and say she go call me back later. She said that who. Really, say that the man they smoke, they drink, it don't still useless that boy life. Person when Saturday carry come no billionaire. If he wreck that man, who should be this one when no go feel wreck? I don't know next time he met wreck. Nah, my beautiful people. Una here, he said she called yesterday, called about the phone and the time called to say, he don't tire for the man. He don't tire for the man. Say the man so he boy they smoke up and down. He say your open mouth begin to talk say he say he want drive yours man now. He say they want drive her very soon. Say na he go the man this. He say he want drive brother. He don't use brother to fight all the gbogbo for inside bush. I not tell him. He say he want drive brother. He say if they smoke now he can't give up. Or we go wasi ko weird sota. Or we that go over is frustrated. Now only go know whether Esther give that man paper. Now only go know whether Esther give it because that young money when he can't get right to finish this woman for this country. Or he get zobo joao. Now only go know whether if he give that boy because one time they know Esther they talk say the man don't run come out. One time when say he go camp. I'm not sure say that man even they walk. Talk less of get Esther give that man paper. If you want lie about paper, you know they talk for where the man dey. If he let the man not there, maybe the man say waka ya one no gag body who he just say come on go drink when one buy you call the talk about her. Nah, he say the man a drunk. He go poo. He say nah the man be. This one say go call me later, make it gist me everything when you and I talk yesterday. My people, I tell you now, say this woman, oh mommy Emily, you are welcome, my big mommy. Good morning, ma. Mommy Emily, good morning, ma. You are welcome. I welcome my people. Please, share this video, my people. Share. When I welcome my beautiful people. Because the way this woman got the wrong entire live video. Now live video called they console her. Now live video God bless say they give her joy. Because the way she did this small thing. Okay, see midnight that they just say wrong entire live video. Day before that 4 days ago. Oh my yeah. That woman is losing it. Now they say one pursue the man, come on, say the man also drink and full smoke. Now they smoke up and down. Now this caller now, I hear when they talk now. Who they hear when they speak? He say go call me later me gist me story. wetin Esther dey pass through for Isa house. Because Esther, what kind of person na mumu? What here? But hello, how you dey? I hope you go dey open him mouth. She go dey open. Me no ask her question that time before she tell me say Ima don't dey camp. I no ask Esther where your husband. I no ask her say where your man come enter. Now she use her mouth to say Ima no dey with us again. He don't run. He don't go corner camp. He can't dey. They find work whether they will give us. I no fit tell you now wait for. I cut a lie. Me cut a lie, my people. Esther is not happy. Una hear what he talk now? He said the man, he want pursue the man come out. Say only go and the man don't frustrate. Okbiani frustrate ne. And they come. And they come and say, he say, "Omonigi nebiegbe, or when you more yegi wo yegi bonisa." He said that boy so when Esther bought for young money, young billionaire, is because Esther be like who know where. He said that pikin na he go bath am, na he go. He say the pikin go poo for body, he go carry, he go wash him, she go bath am. He say na he they do every. Esther use this smart to receive all the old problem with it. I felt tell you. Esther use this boy to do blockage. All the arrow way they come make it they meet this innocent person. This boy they say na Italy they make it life. Oh, Esther go to and call deceiver. We say he get paper, he go give her paper. Now let go know whether Esther don't fit give this man paper. Because the way the man is frustrated, man, when you get paper, you have hand to work. Why can't you work and be happy? The way this man is doing, this man is not happy. Esther, and so many of them, they do, how many women they do for abroad. They will say they'll give you paper, and they come confused, say, not be all women get paper when they'll give you. Many men don't know, say, not be all women when you get paper, give you paper. There are some women, they have bad record, they cannot give you paper. There are some women, that paper never reach where they'll give you, and they don't work, they cannot give you. Even if they bought for you, you are one chance very equal. Now, few. Like this Esther, they can be say this boy, when I share this video, guys, they can be say this boy, Esther never fit give this boy paper. Because the way this boy they talk, he call you this boy they receive all suffer. I tell you a day before yesterday. I said this boy come, he call you and waste all the blow, all the stone when you come meet her. When young money take care and go drop her for a mama and the papa house. We know the strategy. As far as the same country. The man fell marry her before. The man he was recognized before. He have right to put paper for Esther eye. So Esther don't know say he go enter one chance vehicle. Now he run go enter. Not say he not see man for Germany. He run fast to Italy to go and bring this innocent guy when he just there. Oh wait there you. This boy. He go kind of come for Esther for Italy. Go deceive the boy for years. Say he go do everything for her. Carry the boy they do your marriage. Make the man for remove her for her waist. Not knowing that the thing goes. He know quite alright that this thing is going to affect this boy. He know. Why can a man when he day happy go they drink anyhow? How can a man when he day happy go they misbehave? He no let her talk. There are some things when it go heavy you for man to talk out. Because it will be a laughing stock. It will be laughter. Because many people are afraid when they began that day, they say for Italy that many of them don't move forward. Many of them don't better. Maybe some time that I say, no go meet this woman, no go meet this woman. She not go let her talk come outside. Because they go use her take mocker. So now my people, now only go know whether Esther will give this man a bay. Don't eat a bay, a boy, no salo back pound, and only God know. Because how come this man called the day miserable now? How come this man now called the day like we hear not correct now? Now they say I go, you call the smoke up and down, woo. He not feel walk. When me tell no say this boy not feel walk. When me tell no say this boy not the walk. Now when they say this woman not know where they collect tax number. All they work for Germany, for this country, how come you not go nowhere for the collect tax number? Where your man for collect? I mean not they pay tax when they work. Because you say your man they work, you claim to say your man is working on, my man is working on. How come your man is not working? Definitely is paying tax. You not gonna know where you for go get tax number. Or I mean not they pay tax where you work. How come you two not gonna know where you for the collect tax number? I talk that word that I talk and say, because my man they work, I know everything. You know if you call they wash us. I tell you then I say this thing it's not clear for my eye. It's not going to be clear for women. Esther making another year. tax number. That means the man is not working. That means the man is not working. The man is in pain. He needs help. He needs help. So because of this Saturday, this is young money. Esther now see same when the Casara don't boss. Because he say if he even get man for Germany here, maybe go enter one chance. He come quickly go Italy. It can be say the marriage where they do not do one for here. It can be say in Italy they forgot to do that marriage. It can be because many women are doing it. Oh, they will not tell you many men are doing it as well. It can be this marriage when say if you use this boy, they do so. He not fit do one here because he don't fit marry. He need to go to another country. Maybe he go another country, go marry this boy. Italy. Maybe in Italy if they forgot to do the marriage, come here. When I say I talk about why we tie, wanna go mark my word for granted. It can be say this boy he don't have, and for it to come the talk now shame day. So mona here wait till I talk. Me not even put here where that time for the audio. The papa and the mama now they swear for. He said remove the papa, the mama. He said now your mama me go always working am we bug we no ma teach we na ya kokodo. Always we no ma teach we na ya kokodo or we ba boga like jegbe. Yes, okay my darling. That woman saying go call me. Yes, so if you get better information about her, I will use and do pay show. Thank you, my love. You not too much. Una ye. He said that his mama he want deal with because his mama not teach her how to respect man. Is because that his mama, they say that his mama agboma ve manje. Men agboma ve na as life not see better so now so his mama safe CB. Una go here and say that the man now. Or which way can we bog which way no matter teach we na ya gba o na ya respect odo. That's to shows our muye Nigeria. Oh, when I mama in one way bog me, mama in one give all the problem when if yesterday give her is working am we bonny be. Jesus Christ. Always you no ma coco we na ya gba o do me na ya respect. Shy. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh, when you is there and mama go by. He say, you know say, this woman and mumu be sending small to go. They want to fight the man. Or who wa me? Or wait, he say he go beat you. He say if him mama you finish, he go make sure say he disconnect her body. If he don't disconnect her body, if he walk concept, they say make it come outside. Say he go come outside. Good afternoon and welcome. Please share this video, guys. Share me, my people. He say he go make sure say he go and see mama not teach her how to respect man. Or we you guys blue. Or we ogbe omo ogbe. Or we yan ni or gbalegbe gare yan we ni pa. Or we you pass why. Now be that time when another woman be want take color be Esther man. When another woman can't give her TOT. When another woman can't give her oh, they come because now if I carry my records, they play. Now the Jerry person and the Jerry they here so. The Jerry now they put cry. I don't know why they put cry. The man they cause her because you can see Esther don't come to problem for this man body. Because the boy is in the oh Lord. He said now another person, he said now person matter, say now your person. Now it cause problem. If they try to say leave this person, it's okay. Leave this person. Yeah, leave this person. Isn't now waiting cause matter? Now it be that one. Anybody will commit rubbish, you are gone. It will block you. I did the first year. What say, man? It will block everywhere. You don't feel reward you anyone. Commit rubbish, I remove you instantly. You understand? He say, you hear what he talk? He said that frustration, you can't allow it life. He say, when you take makeup in mind, say, it's okay, see woman, make you follow. At the end, no say na frustration, now you won't carry follower. No, na frustration, you won't carry follower. Okay, na the man they here, now they press, whether na cry, they cry, whether na laugh, they laugh, or na it be Jerry or more enemy. Na he dey here, but maybe na I don't know whether that person use our perfect account, because I saw for the seed. They'll use our perfect account, and I call the comment for make a say na the man. I don't know whether na he can be say na he can be say not be. He say it is a better person. He say no say na frustration human being. He say it is a good person. Or we may get to wow, Jesus. You understand? No, nah, Jerry something. He dey cry. So me, I don't know why they cry. Maybe not true. That color when come here, whether they don't really drive the boy. If they talk now, say the man they work. We don't know whether I work whether they don't really drive this boy. Wanna look for help. We need help, please, people. Please, can you help? If I say don't drive this boy, please. Who is there who can contact? Please. Because a caller just confirmed that Esther spoke to her. He spoke to Esther yesterday that he's driving the man. Maybe the man don't day streets in 3 days. We never know. Jerry, why you they cry? Tell us why you they cry if we can help, please. Just tell us. No shame. Tell me why you they cry. Because something they will make you they cry. This one now, you are not angry. You know the first how they talk about, but you call they cry. So why you they cry? Tell us. I beg. Tell her now this woman they draw you they go. If they want they yeah you for everywhere. Wait till do Saturday. No call it and do you finish. I beg. Iyo bomaje. Thank you. Piqué. Mo they plan. He say, where I want to talk. He say, if they cause your own family person. He could try to say this person are your person, not cousin. He say now he take come out, he say, Kia we he could say make you not do video. The video when he doing the beginning, they tell and say, you bite everybody, you are animal, he dey inside. Mona settle down, Mona share this video, Mona can't list it. He say, then, he tell and say now your person is okay, Mona not fight again. Really? A good man when he love your wife, or a good responsible man, you and your person they quarrel. He go tell you it's okay, he don't do or rest. Forget the matter. Good. He be not talk bad thing for there. He say he don't do why he my people not be so person supposed to talk so that make the headache not go they disturb everybody for the house. You try forget this person. Now wait till this boy say he tell Esther say forget this matter, rest. Even your son still tell this woman say you forget this matter, let it go. Is your person forget? You say whether the man they support that they beat her, why you no go talk? He now the man I say because he tell you say no cause your person more and forget the matter. Now you go say clear work a rugby. Oh, where you don't know where kiye rugby? Una see wicked and heartless human being. That woman has also disgraced. One made they disgrace this man. Now make when this man still talk say we are, he not pay me. Some people what they talk say the man not the responsible. No. Even if this man cassava too small na peanuts, which right did she have? Wait for call and share what they do. I wanna go here and wait for call and share what no mama. He dey here. Really? No, if he come outside, we love each other. Which quarrel they all see? When she come outside now, they thought say it cassava too small. Now I make the man sit us say we are. When I share this video, when I try to share it, he said the audio we don't forget her. Ija. Social media. Or work with social media. Share this video, guys. All they play and they go. But I say many of you don't forget. Me they refresh the memory, please. I walk me, I'm your boy, I me. He said, "I saw it happen because he said, may you leave your whole family member. You do not say you say kia work regbe. Why you go say kia work regbe? Really, is that a good word for a woman to use? Why will you say your man cassava? Even if your man cassava and a peanut, you fed all they do one before you marry to the man. You know if he say you don't know before you don't know before you marry to the man. You want to see talking with the same argument for his house, you declare to the man. This one with your talk, you not talk for say is more better than when you know it is on record, it's on video. Oh, wake regbe. You not still pay me when the man still come and say, we my people, I don't want to be 50-50 or best not be 50. You tell me, I tell you. It sweet me when the man sit there to say, where we are. No, people want to blend the Jerry. No. We don't need to blend the Jerry. When the man was saying that, when the woman was saying cassava was smally, people were laughing at the man, and the man later found that the pekus is smelly. My man say his own part. Now people are saying you don't why woman go to abeg go. Mona pack well. Mona pack well lo. Anybody when go talk to Jerry Baba again say ikbeku ekia here. Oh, who has that? Why you go now? Who has that? I won't wear. More no be me talking. We there social media. More tired that for no you what tie. And nobody should blame that man say, why a responsible man go come to say why a pekus this man? Why a responsible woman go come and say your husband cassava small? 50-50. Oh, but say red not be 50. My people, more regard more they share. We go laugh today. Our gear. We never even reach the main one. I'm gonna call here. Gia. We can't. Oh, is everybody got the happy? Oh, may I pause this place? Oh, is everybody got the laugh at the happy saying cassava small? See what the irresponsible wife do to us, man. Oh my God! Is everybody got their piece of cassava small in my banana like rubbish work? My belly, oh my head, oh. My belly, oh my head, oh. My belly. Hey, Jesus Christ. Oh, una here, he say everybody got they happy, they laugh. Say cassava too small. 50-50. Anybody not talk am again say why Jerry go talk say cassava small. No. Why a responsible woman will come and go they say your husband cassava small? If the man comes to say your pekus they smell, it's the same. As he take call and share one on my man, he dey here. Mona listen, regardez. Marema, we dey here till here. Share the video. You see the late person. Hey! You see they cause the woman. Or where to go who star? Or where to go who? Or where to go your boy at the here kwa? Or where to go your boy at Zaga? Or where to go your boy at Owa? He shame. Mona not blame Jerry. If Jerry, on about my book best star, what I blame me. because I dey think one thing as Esther mighty the Ben Jerry. Esther mighty the Ben Jerry. Wagi with Jerry. How you do Jerry? Now you have to put wagi me Jerry say. Nah. Caller just confirmed that he called her yesterday. He said he want to drive the boy. I told you guys. He can be waiting the injury for some. Maybe waiting promise this boy not fulfill and he don't use the boy take catch all the old ball, all the old stone when they come. Man, Mona be careful for pay women like Esther. Many of them go say they will give you paper, say they get paper. Uga no oge gboga eti the benue. Ko here eti the benu kpabe we bo. Uma enwe. Ya se gbe bo sef ebo ni anya nebo ne skin ya fofo. Ya be eti the benu kpia. Do wa ma eni atamu wa. Esther gbo here reject ne. Esther don't break Omolomo side mirror. Now something make no go boss now. Esther say you want pursue this man. Wetin happen when you want pursue and come up for house? Esther, wetin happen when you want pursue this nonsense guy when you don't take cash out the old stone for street? Now you want pursue am. Now you don't say they smoke. But when you go one, you want useless. The boy they here, you say they cry. We don't know why they cry. I know if you be saying this audio, they make her cry because of the shame and disgrace when this woman give her. So I don't really to blame her. Now she know why. Now you know why they cry, because cry when they cry. Now if you be say they cry. Not be me. Now I know what the pain and when make they cry. Because you know why? Because right now, what Esther they do, and not yet call her confirm. I never tell us. Now he call the press cry put. Una don't know why this boy they cry now. What this? Oh, I tell una say that woman they do imlo. If you see that they run no. If you see that they run no. Hey oh. He can see be say this woman don't finish this man life. Or you can see this video one of the places. And you say wait now, Esther mama they tell Esther what he go do, may not respect her and he go respect her and mama they tell her. Is that a responsible mother? Is that a mother that can train up a child? When he train her, say mama not train her. When I make it say he go the lay course on the mama. Or which one make or what say I'm we bog bijou. He did the record, not me talking, I mean the player because later they'll still go change my word for my mouth. I mean they play the record so that who have ears, let them hear. So they press angry here. Caller just confirm say he will call me back later. So it can be his truth. Is among why the woman is frustrated in the streets. So we don't really know why they cry. Who they wanna pursue that in best with the poor angry there. Is it because the woman say you go they swear for her? Hey! When? He said that TOT dead there. He said TOT way this. He said TOT way this. Uhe yere vadi na uhe no wia. As when that TOT still dead there again, when they do, the TOT when they smell. The same person will still come outside. We love ourselves. He still talk about he say love for can't boo. I love you. You love me. You love me until they deceive me. He talk on his inside the record. I'll they tell now one after the other. He said, Mona, may I break the English? I bet may I draw my shirt. This shirt they disturb me. I bet Mona call me fold down. You know, say if you want to this kind of thing, I fold the woo. I want to make people get the person. This is how we are moving. I don't draw my shirt. My people, una know what he talk yours now. He say whether to toast it, make cool still dead there when they do again. Welcome, my darling. He say whether make cool still dead there when they do again. He say I be not be make cool when they smell. Me I raise one leg up. I'm feeling it. Please, can I have air condition there? Please, can I have air condition? He say, whether not be make coos, we know where. Now she still call the come out. We love ourselves. Me why? The man don't know, say, we love ourselves with the talk for public. Now lie. Or not that too nice she they do for inside house. Nothing more. Nothing like true. Oh, who he no where? Oh, we do he ye river? Oh, who he river? I drink. The matter they make my belly they boy. Really, where could they smell? Cool your mind, cool your temper, Vera, cool down. I hear, I don't cool down. Cool down. Hey. Hey, she ne kena mezoku. Oh, Vera cool down. Yeah, they cool down. They try to cool myself down. Who be that smelly mekus? Who be that way no way? Away river na yewa. Can we regard mo see? Mo regard another one. Regard where we are? Oh, we are. He say, go tell your mama, say, imwe pogwa de lay curse on you. Or where would that say unwe? Now good, don't be the good one with the talk, so. My people, I need accolade. Me maka tamu what? I not tell you. He say na good na I do for you. When say unwe, nugutie bo me baji. Jesus is Lord. Now let you want waka come. Ooh, Jimmy. Oh, when na good he do for you. Or when yaka miss where we mwe bogu. Or when say yete unu we say na good I be do for you. But you not say na you do good for her. He now say na good he do for you. I believe the man more than you. Because you agree with him. You back out to say you help the man. You not get help when you help Jerry. Because you billionaire don't put pepper for your eye, go drop it for your papa, your mama has. That is why you not claim that you help. Mona share this video, guys. Mona they share now, please. Share. Mona they share. Then make you claim say you they help. Say when that one don't dump her. He can go carry this one, take cover all the shame and disgrace when she gets. When I hear when he talk now, always say te unuwe. Because he said that time never see get Martin now. Maybe she will not date this country again. Now she quickly run, go Italy. Now I make una say, but say wanna go find out. Now will be say it can be say not be Germany here, not be this woman for do that marriage. It can be now Italy. My mind tell me. Wait for see that, but maybe not there for good one. Carry the boy, come take clean, say he don't get another mouth to cover all the atrocity. So that when those people see man, they feel called the pity and so okay, maybe she won't really stay us. Marriage jama, my no sunu. Marriage Germany, my no sunu. Where you can't deceive us. That's the reason why she run run down to Italy to go and look for man to get married there. Now there, when I go do research. Maybe now there, I go for do that might not be Germany here. Hey, man, on our way. I shall walk up. I come. You never finish, oh. The time we tell the way picky the time and say your nyash is smelly. You are biting everybody. They here. See the sweat from. Pause that place. He said na he be the work. He said na Facebook he go not see well like me. He said Jesus is Lord. He said na he be the work. He said make Facebook buy am, make it draw and enter not see well like me. Mota, I dey come make I play. Mona share, I dey come I put my number here plus for now. I don't put my number there. Oh, when you're 10 winner. Oh, when nah. And when the Facebook or who and all see well like me. Not be me the talk and so in case because there's a bit like where they say now so you got all like this. He said, what do you do for her? He said, what do you do for her? He said, the guy that built house, he said, the mama come on, go carry the house paper, go hide. He said, that family not be placed for the married woman. Or we are go bowa, or what you bo, or what you bo, or what ye yari lay. Or where boo one or where can another yoko. Now, so you talk how. Where man and woman go for say they build us or they get something for us. The mama of the girl go carry the paper, go hide, say, make the man not see, and they are two gather doing. Why they have bunny there? Mota, oh, they yell. He said that on our family not be ready for the marry. He said that their family not be ready for the marry, not be ready for the egg and an egg, ben and your who. Oh, tie. Our family were work ben and your who. He said, Lord, Buame, Sanu Zazi, no me on my fan. Oh, Banu Zazi, Baba. Oh, Banu Zazi, Baba. Now, he calls social media called the claim I be Oduga, I be orphan and Omega. He is oh, work be working and not your who. Best egg ben and not your who. Best egg ben and not your who. Esther family not be ready for the marry. Esther, my Esther family not be ready for the marry. Esther family not be ready for the marry. You don't need to marry for that family. You don't need to marry for that family. Esther family not be ready for the marry. Not be me talk oh. Is there here? Work by when you work in another yoko, work by another yoko here. As a family not be ready for the marry. As a family not be ready for the marry. In my carry land paper. In my carry house paper, go ahead. As a family not be ready for the marry. He asked for the God build. In my go carry the paper hides. He now. Kuda vera, kuda. Is like seriously? Like really? As a family not be ready for the marry. As a family not be ready for the marry. In mama carry house paper, go hide. In mama carry house paper, go hide. As the family. Oh, they don't finish Jerry. Oh, Jao. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. You allow Esther and the mama finish Jerry. All the vitamin when the day body and one for like really, like seriously, as a family not be ready for the marriage. Una they enjoy this, una know they dance. I not be musician. I dey sing for una. Una not even they dance. Una see they dance. But why be agbejo? I they do rapping. I they do freestyle now. Wamakbe. I be una not like her. As a family not be ready for the marriage. As a family not be ready for the marriage. Egbedan ema. Egbedan oh. Ishemeo. See who they call the claim saint. That's the reason why tomorrow go come outside. We love ourselves. We like ourselves. Now so now they put dance. More start. As a family not be ready for the marriage. As a family not be ready for the marriage. In mama carry house paper go hide. In mama carry house paper go hide. As a family bed down or we are. As a family no we are. As a family no we are. Now be me talking. Oh. It day on hair. In fact, it day on a space. It day space. I wallow. If I wallow your spinal cord, I wallow a bone marrow. Next time we got me vera where I lay. You would the piatti. Italy call it piatti. We will do one freestyle again. As the family not be ready for the marriage. As the family not be family ready for the marriage. In mama carry house paper on no. In mama carry house paper baga. As the family not be ready for the marriage. Una here. Man, Esther family not be ready for the marriage. Esther family who go there and they confirm and they tell you now say Egbeni Eke na Narioko Motai is talking here. Oh my God. See disgrace. Esther family not be whether for marry. Esther family not be whether for the marry. In mama carry house paper go hide. Oh man and woman God that built house. In mama carry house paper, I go hide the way I'm a boy wa mu le ni ba boy like work be. Ona mu born am gbijue. And this is how we love ourselves. We do love ourselves. You are killing that boy slowly. Of which you know what you are doing to that guy. You know quite all right what you are doing to him. If you are able to not see you when mule paper of house cause he reach mama Esther we say in mama in family like this, in family like that. House paper when you wanna gather get it cause he reach your own mama go hide. Na marry. Esther family not be whether for the marry. Esther family not be whether for the marry. If you want marry there, go wash your head. If I not go there, if they expect to not say, why is not go here. I make I play that place again. If I say I don't understand that way, I need to carry and go back a minute. What you do for me? He say he carry house paper. He say wait, wow man, as the waiting you do for me. Then we gotta do something. Your mama carry the house paper. He go hide them. Or we go or we go one market and another dead you who. He say that to my family not be weird for the near marriage. As a family not be whether for the marry. As a family not be whether for the marry. They are two gather build house. Jerry and Esther. They gather build house. In mama Esther. He go hide as paper. I wanna yari bowa. I wanna relay. He regardez. Imeni. You carry my video. Go replay them every day for your platform. This is the first time I play your record on my platform. Zaga, when you hold the smell, follow you up. You see me, your man carry the house, carry the go. He say the house, he say he give you, he say mona carry the go. He say he want go look for another life. He want go look for no dark money. We won't give him life. When the one got that plan life, I don't hear that one sit down. Jesus. 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 He say, oh, yeah. He say me the car go me the. He say so far in their life. He say me the carry go. He say no need. He say no need. He say me the carry they go. He say he want go settle down look for good wife, better wife when he go tell. Oh, Jerry abeg, ya gwa lo kwesi. Oh, heken when young billionaire, when you supposed to know what young billionaire pass through for this lady hands. As that one try best rich, he not feel make her for where yesterday. What did they call you, Jerry? You need to act fast. All those I love you for outside, I love you for outside, we love each other. And allow. What lose than you they lose. Thank God say you don't know. They say, thank God say you don't know. They say, carry the ass paper, they go. He want go look for another good wife. Another good wife when you go respect her. When they will feel build life together again. Make her repeat that place. That place so interesting. I know here before. If you not put here for ground sometimes, not need to hear what people they talk. Vera, where you go before? He say, carry the house, say, carry the go. He say, no need that. He say, he want find woman, we go give her life, we go give her peace of mind. Oh, he have gualo who he. Jimmy. We don't hear all those things. Nobody feel analyze them like this. Nobody feel explain it to us. Explain when we go self take understand. Okay, no more than when the woman maybe don't really go they find another wife. When they start come outside the class say, I will not agree. No woman will come and collect my husband away from me. Oh, Oh, now that period. If you can remember the time when she did that video, say no, if he suffer for my finish, another woman go call collect her for a hand. So the man be really serious for what he talk. Oh, when he can say he got the yes, say man got the follow another beautiful woman. That means he be really want to one. Oh, brother, what you call carry you come back again, ah? Jamie. He says he dead now, make you know say and not get anything that they do. He said if you see another man and he made the opportunity for make you find one car and enter in one, he said one car. Go. So this of via your day your body share this video, share it as you can. Mona yo they dance, mona yo they laugh, mona yo they popori. He said because he not done they ready to piat. Jesus is Lord. He said because now he don't ready to piate. Piate get piate na run when person go they run no go use and take whole Bobby. When them Chineke na mezoku. You never share anything. He long go. Mona yo they dance. Wa agbe. Wa ozuo. Hey, he said innocent and this kind of person will be saying for never run leave Vincent long time ago. Nothing big did not date. Ije, sister, Pabioko. He said, "Meg, go, my man, no kweti me ales where knock me." Ije mo yourself. Mona yo de compete, mona yo de dance, mona yo de happy. He said, "Dress me, let me sleep." He said, "No, you me go back more." There is say she read the snow like animal. Or when you me go back, but when dress go that side, no go me here. Dress me, let me sleep. No, you me go that is the breathe. No, you me breathe fire. He said, shower, if you want to talk, I can't go back some. Okay, now here for gonna shower me. Una here? Now here for gonna wash shower me. Ije. He said your bomb miliki. She be at the top be me call am share wo. Una hear the man talker. Always kodogu when here no hu me gbu ahia wagbon ahia wa emi. So you don't get all those vielistic. You are welcoming. Oh, washia not be me talking. If they inside this or this record that you record yourself. Oh my God. See couple when they say they love themselves. See people when they say they love themselves. Oh, washia when he said the ashia when she be. He said if for this life and the next life now be the ashishi when Esther in Besa baby elephant be. Hey Jimmy. Milk. Me I drink water. Are you there? Are you there? Yes, are you there? Not be me be talking. Oh, Oh, washia way. So you see they do a shishi. Not be me talking is here. Esther. Oh, washia way in your walking. Hey, you must see the lake cost. You not really live. Hey. He said, I don't know what he talk. He said Esther called 10 man, say make the man hold and make it beat her. Oh, Jerry. Your wife get mad. He said, no what the man gets. Say make it hold and for us and make it beat her. You don't your turn football. Or one said when I want here balling, when I here balling, why I be ball mukwa. Let's really. Is it got them mommy they come beat her? When no lady yet been not be you. Oh, this boy don't see for Esther body. Oh, she making a mezo cool God. Hey. So that feel bitter. So that go feel bitter. Hey. Hey. You hear? You hear that, son? He say, I love you, not berak bijou. Show now hear what they talk. The man still talking. He say, I love you. He say, now I love you, make buy papa buy mama. He say, I love you when they deceive her. I love you when not reach here. I love you when not reach there. I tell Nana. Oh, I love you, berak bijou. This will not be Esther's son, no. Now the husband they talk so. The Esther's son never did. Oh, who they call put to? Who be this? Say fake, I love you. Fake. He say if he hungry you, if he come out, if he hungry you, if he come out, if he knock door, not open. Because if you not open, he go cause 6 chance to go rent your own house, go they live your own life. He say if he come, you knock door, you not open. Or when he go come out, he go 6 chance go find woman when he like. Oh, shame and disgrace. Who be this one? Hello.
Hello, Vera.
Hey, real life video, who they talk?
How you doing now?
I dey fine.
I want correct you for that place. Not be man for outside though. Now he picking where he born for the other guy. Sat up. That boy.
Okay. Say make it dey follow and fight.
Now that boy Esther with the boy they hold Jerry down. If he don't drink, they go they massage him. Now he continue.
Okay, thank you. Una yeah. Ew. He said make it picky. Ah, Jesus is Lord. Oh, he has been Jerry for. They don't go water. Like really? Here we.
a baby father. I show my marriage picture. I explain everything on that video. Now she's out today because why? She say this, that. They look for viewer. I beg. Could Mona not subscribe to her YouTube channel? Mona not subscribe to Mommy Loves YouTube channel.
Okay, maybe not the other one. They call my people maker. Hey. I don't enter the other one.
Sorry, Daddy.
When and his son.
Rest. Off the video.
Off the video. That is the second one. Wait, let us say the mark has served as one. I ain't enter so.
You see what it? Delete it. It's okay.
He say it's okay. Whether I just mind the talk, he say now tomorrow go come up for the house. He say illiterate no good for this line. Now in mind they call illiterate, so the man now they call illiterate. Hi.
Guess it. So are you an animal? Why are you biting Papa like that? As this
he say, are you an animal? Why are you biting Papa like that?
Okay, what did I do? Guess it. I was doing my live video. It's already is. Why is come here? What is if you use accent to put Papa inside eye?
Hi.
Yeah. So you are like your father. No. I hate you from today. Go. You are going to.
Hey. Chineke na mezoku. Hey.
Hello, my lady.
Hello, real live video. I'm on live video.
I see you, Nana.
Okay.
See, Mama, I want to correct you for one thing. I dey watch you now. I hear so you talk and you say Esther get another man when you say me beat it. Not be
Percy don't talk like
Esther
son.
Esther
He said na Esther son no.
Na Esther son, not be he say me another man come carry hand go back tanya me beat her. No. Na Esther son, the man say he don't suffer follow the pikin now. The Esther will come they say maybe the small pikin tie hand go back make the beat her. Not be
the other man.
Now son, I want correct you for there.
Yeah, the another person don't call, don't talk on, we don't hear.
Okay.
Thank you, yeah.
Okay.
So, me no hear where say na the man, the son. Because una hear when I dey talk, because I call una hear when the man say, pikin when they shit for body, the time when he know the pikin they shit for body, they piss for body. Now he they put the papas, they wash her. So, me not to hear, when me say na another man say if he see her for us, I mean not say na the pikin where the man say he pack his shit. He wash, he nyash. Now the yes, I say they follow me, they gather, they beat him. And we don't correct that one, Sisi. Now the second side we do so. Where for the live video, when no say camera on down, I do this one. That one when they bite.
It's okay. I don't want this one again. I'm tired today. I hate you. I hate you.
Nash, only she want you they shout. Hey, me when I even come off away for the do live video, go meet this man. Now, she just they shout. Hey, I hate you. Illiterate man, only one you they shout like say they beat him. Una go here now where the man for talk say you don't go drink. Why you go drink? They fight like this. If Piki go even talk say don't bite him for head. Una go here now. Oh, damn you. One your hair. He dey bite to because the fact say they bite to.
I defend myself. He bites my head.
His son say bite to him. Why you biting everybody?
He bites my head. So
Mama, why you drink like this and behaving like this? What's wrong with you?
My head.
Are you ashamed of yourself?
Cassie.
Please stamp my back for me. See the way your mother is being.
If I
You hear? He bites the man for back, he not rich. Now he go bite his own son for it because his son tell and say, why are you biting everybody? Because the pikin quarrel with her say, why he bite the man? Now he come out say the pikin don't spoil say he go come out for it. Now he come out, he say he hates the pikin. Now he come out, go bite the pikin head. The pikin go the shot say, why you bite me head? Shebi I turn a widget for it and so bite the bite. Because now I made the guy that beat him. It matter muwa. If I dey talk, they'll say Vera they lie. They say na so bite. When they bite pastor prick, come out. Bite the cassava, bite the brocos, come out. When that one called Dosha and called bite the lap. They say na so bite the back. Why you go bite your own man for back? Because your son say you don't bite. You go with the put it for your own son head. Una go hear when the son dey turn and he bite her for head. The man now they say, why you dey drink like this? Why are you fooling yourself like this? And really, she really drink. Because if you not drink, he shout and everything not clear for them. Omadeyo kaka. Omadeyo.
Drink. Then why are you biting everybody?
Then why are you biting everybody?
Why are you lying to me? This woman's life is lying against you. Do it tomorrow now. I want to do it today.
Why not do the video tomorrow?
Already almost 300 people was watching me. Do it tomorrow. I want to do it today. It's okay.
Now the mind they call it they say go for party things for your house. He say he no need. Ekia work regbe na here for go talk am. Now yeah, go talk and say your cassava too small. He no need again. Your cassava too small. Ah, Jesus is not. Vera, cool your temper, blow yourself, cool your temper, relax. Oh! He say your cassava too small. Do the video tomorrow. He say la we video back where. Now they call say cassava too small. He say he mark cassava too small, my people. He say he no need the girl. We no here. Easy me. We must play and finish. It remains small. We must play and finish. What has that? He say he go narrate for the old word. Say cassava small. He say he want narrate Jerry boy. He say he want narrate brother boy. He say I will narrate you for the whole world. Wait till the boy can't do it. One narrator for the whole world. Now you say Omolomo cassava small. Now you want to say you want to narrator for the whole world. That means we don't hear sis. We the Aproko commenter, they are the Aproko presenters. We don't hear sis say you say your mark cassava too small. You don't need them again. Why narrating it to the world? We go help you narrate. Malagu we narrate. You don't need to narrate. Malagu we narrate. As far as you don't feel bring them out, you have the mind to present it out. You give us time and let us finish the work. Maga finishing when and work relax. He say one can narrate for the word. Now the one can they correct the man. Why the man go to say he cassava it's TOT the smell? No, the man for not to say it's TOT the smell. Now ain't good to say the man cassava he cassava small. Hey, Jesus.
Stop it, please, Sabe. Stop it, because I will know it's you.
Stop it, no problem. Because it is what you do now.
Hi.
Wait, where is this normal picture?
You don't know any picture again.
So, Casey, you are the one doing this. Jesus.
Hey.
Casey.
Hey.
See, you are laughing. Why did you bite me and bite Papa? Because why you people are there? You know what? What's my brother? The language of
It don't finish. The record done. It don't finish. He said, why is they bite it, Papa? He said, are you an animal? They come and people. Hey, my people. Not be small matter. Not be small, my beautiful people. I don't finally play the record finish. Hi. Jesus is Lord. Now this one with the talk of my beautiful people. Now this one with the talk. See everything as the matter finish. Later, because he come and say, we love ourselves. We love ourselves. Now the man, now, oh mommy, hope you are welcome. Oh, you not quick come, you come here, the Ogboge matter. Eh, oh, mommy, hope you not quick come. Hey, yeah. Hey, I don't see just the come. We just they play the Ogboge record, the lipstick. Esther Obeg exactly where to war. Obeg get to call the war, my people. Is this one not a shame and disgrace? So now your picky. You the same una hold for ground, they tell and make una the guy that they beat her. Ew. Ay, dear woman. I feel no say this woman wicked. I feel no say Esther wicked because that is face when you see blow no man no. Picking when the time when you go they find the boy for Italy. When you say make you not marry. When they call the picking this way, they say he go shit for body, go wash and go do everything, go clean the picking up. So now the pikin when he suffer, God take care of when he don't grow. Now you they tell me una the guy that they beat her. Oh, now be the thing. If now your blood son, your son, you go tell them I made the guy that they beat you. We want me to work on the war. Or how you wear biological you wear no banner. All when no ya to work on no more than yourself. Or money got me one way. Why when you act better? Because of can you when no say you are not the father. Or you wearing or you're not the bear cocoa boy. Because I want more equiano of when we bien or banner. Let's it tamoni do tama we game not tie go test see wetin my papa see wetin your mama talk o. Daddy, your mommy say many they beat you anytime when they beat and they join at the beat you. He go tell you. But because now you get the pikin on here, oh what boy. Oh not tell way no because of na small pikin. He never get sense. Anything mama tell him because he knows say he be mama, you not be papa. So you go they continue, you go they do. You see your life as today miserable. So you see come say they bully people. This one cause say, that one cause say, you call they cause people. This son when this boy suffer, take care of. You they send and make it they join you, they beat the man. Nah. You cause say they bite the picky for the after you bite your man finish. You see you bite your man for back. You cause say they bite the picky for head. Because they say may you rest. Because you know they hear anybody. See Anna. He say una gather builders. You carry your man carry the paper of fast, carry and hide. Then he say now some women I make you see single mother for this abroad. Many na papa, many na mama, many na brother, many na sister. Then make una see Germany now very soon. Another government they come. You be man, you be woman, you will go work. You get to pick. I don't fair talk on that day. This one that is coming is you must go and work. Who almost to your winner. So this one when this government when they cause you know they sit down for her, they'll pay your husband, they'll pay your this error. Better they do your press up down now. Because the one when they come, like this time next year, everywhere don't they hot. Down don't get now this one will they talk. Many women when you food this Germany, when be say they know the world, they're not there with man. Majority of them are their family. Majority of them, either their papa or their mama or their brother or their sister, now them. Money when they go give them, they'll use and go babalawo for them, they don't stay with man. Plenty. We know say men they see they cause am leave them. We know say many they see they cause am by themselves. But at the time before many start counting they misbehave. Now their mama, their papa they give them orientation for house. What they go do? When they tell you say if you dare your own single mother they go to give you money, only one go to use and the many one go to send and give them. You are free to go. They go just tell you say no problem. When you continue the single mother, so make they go on. If you call they give them money, the money not reach. Just say, what they want to hear? Yeah, there's a single mother. They say, what they use man, they do even the demand. They might don't marry you. Pursue many of them for this country. Now their papa, their mama, they not let them see road. So when they tell their mama say they get belly, problem go they call unnecessary problem. Unnecessary wahala. Though you they fight the kid yourself until they will not finally separate. Me, if I not use my brain, I wait till they be one do be that. I use my brain because one, I not too like money. I not like money to understand. Say me not like my OPK. Because after they don't push all of them, now you see something. They'll say they collect PK, no, they collect this one, no, they collect that one. No. When you don't use part and say drive your own man, when be stand as a man for them to see the fear. Wherefore? Because your mama say if easy, your mama they forbid to come abroad. Your papa they forbid. So many men die and they come abroad, come fight, can't give their family food shop. Not be you when be small people when you come abroad. If you not come, if a shower not they work again now. Nah, single mother they send them. Go do single mother. Wait. Can you imagine? Go do single mother. How come? Man and woman build house, my people. Esther mama carry the paper, he hide down. Waiting they teach this in what you pick. Not be make it turn single mother. That time if you don't see chance pursue the man come out. That time the house go come be only you. Then if your mama want go there, go do Zagadabu. This very Jerry now, no come know how they do the house. Because woman when you are not there, na two na ain't got that the paper there with the girl mama. You know if you go there, go they fight the girl mama. Then he don't dey single mother, he don't free for the man hard for here. His mama go still free for the man hard for Nigeria. Now be waiting they do Jerry. Any around with Jerry, no way Jerry and not to buwa. I still not say the Jerry not good though. No way Jerry and not to buwa we be jouer. Una two gotta build at the time when you never go meet Jerry. Why you go meet Jerry, marry Jerry? Why you not build the house? Make your mama carry the paper, go hide. When your mama does suffer, when two does suffer, you don't suffer. Follow you build the house. Your mama have the guts and the matter. Carry your paper, hide that because say now okay because say maybe more gotta build them for here, and then your mama carry the paper. Okay, man, you better use you already. You got visual. You got your way. Got for one guy. I don't care. That has my guy. We go share them. You just say you smart. Now Jerry Mumu, that kind has go share. They'll pour rent. You pour rent for you. You pour rent. Everybody go pour rent for you. Many men are wise. Because what is some women like Esther want to do men for abroad? I don't know that if you give that man paper. Because we never hear say that man don't even go as talking of Esther. Tell her if Nana two gotta build that house, share her with her. Pour rent for your house. Make the mama pour rent. May they collect your own rent. Maybe they collect your rent. Or till make what rent or till the house go collapse. More now you the pour rent or till that house go collapse. You cannot use because if man use woman here not go hear what. But if woman they use man, they not go hear them. Like this very one when they start doing now very bad evil something. Now those kind mothers now they make their children they turn single mother for abroad. Those kind stupid father now they make their children they turn single. They don't care what the people pass through. They don't care what they are picking they pass through for abroad. So family they bring money for what you call your man they care. No what new. We don't know what to pick they pass through for abroad. Don't know when you both they look on a picking. We don't know what they pass through for side body. Only one go be single mother there and then go carry picking go school go do this and go do that. You go come lay. Thickness go one killer. Give me. Thank you. Thickness go one kill her. She go they run up and down. Go come they do man work. You go they do woman work. You think it's easy? When woman go do man work, you go do woman work. At the end, you see they stupid and solo pack the money go get at the end. You guys soon that back way. You can't have a gear. Many women don't use their brain. Tell her this Deutschland I know about. Next year, Bania, a government of the Agbo here the winner. On a nice operation, I bite. Why am winner? Again, when I want me fabric, you who can one winner again. Where's your bay? No listen, I be an echo your board daiji until the party now so that wherever the phone plan a life for what. You get children, you not get better future for them. You not get better plan for them. You they carry money when you take build future. Oh, you're getting when you really have a tear born way by. Why can't you use your sense? After they don't use less that person, they will still be the first person to laugh at you. May God not let anything wave you. They will laugh you. In fact, you will sit. Some of them will go to Nigeria. They will hang themselves. You think it's that clear eye? Oh, well, clear eye, because what the only hope they put, the only place they put trust and hope on, is nothing to show out of. Is nothing to show. Nothing to show. Some will run mad. Some will run colo. Some will go hang themselves because brain not there. We want hold them again. There is nothing won't hold them. You know they. Nothing. We go monari no yak baoge mo ya mu ye bank no eko sia ye wania. May you go keep at na bank, may you open for them, may they put the money. They do good Samaritan be sister that they respect me. You forget. People do a shop money. If time reach, may God not let you see any wave. They will be the one to laugh you. And it's too late to cry when they hear this off. May God let that be our portion. Because that money, if you keep on tomorrow anything sakala you can't see and build yourself up. It's far better than again who days you know agbo. We go and they do and they respect me, they call me sister. Of course. Don't you see what they are doing to big men today in Africa and politicians? Hey, hop. They will finish eating your money. And then they'll say what you do for them. Now that they call, they have to say what you do. At the end they'll say, why you not call use your brain that I can't hold choke out for your pocket they collect money. And you for use your brain, don't be like that now. No, you say now you feel they give me, I'm not getting what I want to give you. Story will change. A story get change. Man, they Gemini me Google man, why the country me Jena. People enjoy this my country, now they talk to. when they clear say they be single mother, they want to single mother forever. Either you get document, you not get document. Now the next government that is coming is work. Who are you winner? I can't wait sit down for us. Go and check all the news that is coming out now. This will not be we go sit down. Now this woman I sit down, they give us single mother because he herself now see single mom. You see the pity all single women and everything. Not be bad, they be still use them too. See some of the people don't they turn out to bad. This one when they come, so you not get money, you want give people. You better go and work. They don't they talk and now go and read news. They don't they talk and now work. Now wajena in winner one. This one believe in work. This one believe in youth. This one believe in giving people freedom. Why you winner? Why can't winner? Go and check. Go and read. Now it's not. We are waiting till next day. No, the law is out. A law lads in winner can't bona ya supono. Why winner? Then you go see say even born today, born for different man today, born for different man tomorrow. It will stop. Because when you starting taking care of your children, when their papa don't run exile, not me go tell you say go hospital, go put 300 these people for TOT. You feel the fuck, belle not go enter. Now in the console, go read and not be say I dey lie. Grune and the rest people party where they come now. Where they come now. Jama, they come now. Oh, let's see the comment again. The journey. Yes, if you don't work, you don't eat. Now they come here so. Ah, why be say man no woman win now here by who what any hour work why agba we boy. So learn. E go kere no me here. E kesa wa be me low, why be be akoko buy. When you take pack and go give one useless person for at the end. They'll still tell you say you don't get what to do. Never people tell you to see help you do for them, especially family side. They will I don't say you should not help, but if you can't be safe, you must change when they give you take off your pikin for why you call the hungry, they do super. This one, when you start working hard, when you start running up and down, that time they ask you penny. You will not be me go tell you, you tell them say, you know as I tell they even they feed. It's because free money now you get 3 children, I give you 3 money, you get 4 children, I'll give you pay for money. Now it costs all those ones. The next party from now till next year, you will work. Even if they are giving you social money or government is supporting, is now lead you. You got to join it with your working money and make use of it good. But again, no, they can think I'm lying. No, say me when they tell them the truth, what you want to put, say they lie, they lie. Some day now they verse with the carry face. The law, no wrong. You tell person to read it for you. The new one, the party that is coming in Germany right now. Not be sitting and paying your house rent, pay your feeding money. This one is about you have to work. They don't they talk now. You have to work. They have to give people opportunity to find their good life and work. They are not after paying you sitting at home, not going to school, not do anything. Umbanu or no what day now. You get one pikin, you go work. You get two, you go work. Now you know how you go take place yourself and rate yourself when you go take better. If you can't get mad, you can't lock, you get mad. Then now go plan it together. Now it may be what it will not swing. You have to. So please, my people, who are making it wait now. I even go keep your money, oh, because when time comes, all those things, all those one when you say, I give them, they come in sister for that they respect me. You're seeing. After this party, don't know when man give me go you, one they'll call you or they cost you. Ah, well, because before I felt they give me go say God punish you, you fair give me. Let's see, let go down where down go done. You come and say you be bad person. Meanwhile, you are not a bad person. Really, you have already helped them before. But now they have turned this around as if you are not doing anything. So my people are beg. Esther no who are muna ne never born like bena. Una see. Yeah, the man even now do something. He carry the money, he carry the house, they say make him mama do like make it do. I'm just saying the truth. Oh. You don't need to be angry. Not say if they talk or not, it diverts them. My mothers, our single mothers in Germany, especially I don't know of another country. Our single mothers in Germany, no send me off una. They know they tell una the new law. They don't tell you, they don't tell you people. Some no, some no no. The new law now is about to work. Free chance for people. The new party that is coming in. I don't think, because the way they're writing now is work. Go and build up your life. They are not after locking people inside, giving them feeding money or paying your house rent. Then you feel at home. I don't think this one, the way they're writing it is in their news. You can go down and do research. Error. Everything is work. They even need people from other places to come. Wow, winner. Everybody just free life. Everybody just they go. Now be this one so. Now, not say this woman they come out or she is going very soon. So this woman try as seeing a woman, she tried to bring women to help women. I appreciate her for that. You know, every party with what they want. That old party don't have right to tell new parties like when Donald Trump did. When Donald Trump, Donald Sars they bring a law. When Joe Biden enter, Donald Sars they change the law. Now so it be for here so. This woman now they go now. She try for women. I appreciate her. She really try well with time. So the one when they come now, we need to get used to it. In winner wano, wagamo me vagbo we je gbe no wagamo me haye bie now because yan wonu ya winner. Tia wonu if you too say my pikin dey 3 months my pikin there also me you go give day care. This one operation go and work. Operation carry your responsibility. Operation help yourself. If they want even help you na sumo. So wanna try they check news. Man, not believe on they say, they place it there. When you go to there, you will see everything the law and see they go now. I know they come outside, they talk with her, I don't know. But for this Angela Michael, she tried for women, she tried very well. God will bless her. You know, our own party and our own rule and regulation, it will be far different. Because youth here now they complain, say they know they live free life, they know they do this, they know they do that. So now they want to give them freedom to walk, to do this, to do. So also we too, you go see reach our body. So that woman wanna be say, okay, make they help women, take care of their children, pay them money, pay their house bill, pay everything. Be not they complain. She be not they complain. She not the verse put. But on another zena, on money the video, or you have to work, you have to do your own thing. Even if they are supporting, will delete you. It will not be as if this one. So when I support no now say Donald Trump and Joe Biden when they enter now, their law is different. So also with this one when they come. So I beg my people. For now on, you get money, they keep on for yourself. Oh. In case body can't shake, you go see where enter. They take out your picking yourself before you go start work. Not go back at then. You can't wait 1 month. You can't reach. You can't spend 1,000 or 2,000 for your account. They can't go put 300 or 150. You go here and hot for brain. No, you go here and hot for brain. That is what I'm trying to say. They are not going to pay like before again. No, that time you can't weak. You can't be like say, oh, you can't they cry up and down. The ego here, you can be expecting 1.5, they will put 250 for you just to support you a little. Then now you can't know you want to go fight meet. Now you can't know you where you want to see money. You know government they are like that. You don't consign them. They change or they change artists. If they say this how they're going to do it, you don't have who you hope. You don't care who you want to say, oh, you cost them for my body. So that is why somebody when you are in Western world, you need to be very careful and be calculative on anything you are doing. On anything you are doing, you need to be very calculative. Don't please people and displease yourself. When you please people and displease yourself, people are telling you now, the new law that they come, they give money, they go give money pass. You know people can carry fake rumor. When you now wait on that day, you now see I can't see where maybe now 100 card they put. You don't get what you want home. So better you hold yourself down. It can't sweet. It's better you lose guard. It can't go hard because when it better you can't get now. Maybe as you keep it there. Maybe the constant change man say the 50 they cut into 2, they give you one part. It can't join, go see big. Then you lose guard yourself, nothing now. And you put hope on future. In future come, nothing to bring that. At the end, 0/100, you can see. That time, I say some people call they cry, they beg, they find one borrow them. And abroad is a place, nowhere to borrow money. Nobody can say, take 1,000 and give me tomorrow or give me next week. Because when you are not working, they are not trustworthy. Not trustful, say, okay, you go see, give me. They will not like to borrow you 10 euro, 5 euro, 9, they will borrow you rich last. No, that's just the truth. No, people don't like truth. Oh. So please, my beautiful woman, I beg. One are not listening to all those that are information where they carry up on that. If you want to do research, you can read and write, go and check yourself. Everything is there. They don't lie. They will write everything there, you will understand. Italy. Yeah, so Italy now, Europe want change now. They want change now. Italy now, the Google News when we call they here for them. Picking when they born for them, they'll start to they pay them from this month to 21 years. When you are under 36 years, from 34, 35, you can buy a house when you are working any work, even though it's not life contract. You can see Italy is now improving. So those one now doesn't see and now say they want change. I'm not sure say this level of I don't know, but they are writing it work and this and that. So my beautiful people, we need to strong put no and so the bitch I will see they used to run. So Italy. No, not be killed with laugh. No, I'm saying the truth. Oh. No, say if I talk and people feel they you. What? Me, I did that. I not did that. So Now, so it be my beautiful people. So I'm just saying the truth. 10 children, 10 father. No, you know they this time around. Allah, una say Vera talk. I not say if I talk something, they'll say they lie. One waiting next day, next year. Una go hear the rate of born of children will take reduce. Una see, I go see come as I tell una say I tell una that day. You know they you born ready to take care for yourself. If na man when you born and for there with you, then not to go ready to take care of him. If you cause go the carry belle point, what mean why you gba okay because they cannot come and help you. They draw the man when you give you belle. When it be say not be one man you born the pikin for, he did the same country with you. Which reason when you not come take up pikin, they will roll around some. Say you not born one here, you born one here, you born one here, you born one here. Come they look for their father, they will not answer you. Let to be frank and say they will not answer you because they will know that it is your fault. You were having the baby to collect money from them to dupe them, to they collect money every day. So when time goes on, say, Papa, I can't bring money, even they will not mind you. But ask me then, now one man born my offer. In case if he sets, he said, go see ready, they follow me for it or they follow for them. He sets. Now the truth be that. So I beg our women, not let any man come and down. This cause they deceive you, she cause they draw you up and down. Not grill, shine your eye, shine and reach back. Not let any man come deceive you now. Hold yourself strong. Stand as a woman. Because it's not easy for a woman to do man work. You see, not say some men and she's useless. Maybe say they don't get shame. Now women want me to take care of pikin, give them shame on those kind of women. Men when they say they will sit down and woman won't they take care of pikin, get tomorrow they say it's my son. Wow. Tomorrow that is my son. My son is there. My daughter is there. No. No. Don't greet that. After you don't do my work, you don't do my work. One man because they tell you say should be my fly. Now, especially for this Germany now they talk. Women now you need to understand for our rights. Now as it day now. Not the only man go call they use woman they do she like tell you when you not clear like basketball up and down. You know they again. Man do any I see any. If you do where you see where, make it be like that. And not let any man call deceive you again. Come here, but for me. Not born now. Go hospital, go take 2 years or 5 years, they will give you. You can only pay 30%. You go there for you to stand yourself. Because when a man say you stand yourself, you have your own career, you do well. The respect will be there, they will respect you very well. But if you come there, nothing to run on about the end, they don't first see you, yama, they don't respect you. So if you don't first do mistake for 1, 2, 3, let it be mistake and accept it as a mistake. Pack your pieces and place it together. Make good use of it. Stand up as a woman. Correct yourself so that tomorrow it doesn't mean that you give birth to 3 father, 3 children, 3 father will make you a useless woman. No, depends on how you put yourself. Depends on how you represent yourself. Depends on how you hide yourself. When you bring yourself so low, the men when you go see come go see be here. You born for 3 children, 3 father, you have a reason of that. But when you now have your ground and say, no, this thing will not repeat itself. I want to be like this, I want to be like that. You stand on your ground, my dear. Everything will be so smooth. Men want come your way, because they use until they scratch it like this. I don't want to go there, man, I'm not going to one chance. Although we hear saying 3 children, 3 father, but the way you can't take them, they don't get sense, they don't take gallant. You see, they'll go there, piate for you. So man want come your way, go there. You go no say you don't stay strong. You don't know say love you once time because they come and say all those one maybe now when you never to get sense, maybe never to get brain like that, maybe now deceive. But when you now remove yourself from that class, when you now can't deal well, that time you will see they will be respecting you. Then later, that doesn't mean that you will not find a good husband or a lovely sweet guy when will come marry you, when will really love you for who you are. It's it. But some of our women are where the way they see the place they say, man, you see come you see no. Give him condition. They'll say, man, if you give man condition, the man go run. If you run, no, because I can never please you and displease myself. When I see me, when me even get picking for Bogo, when me get, I not try and born for another imbecile again because I talk and say that one was a little child. You get my amen when again. You see, when I not get sense and live there, imagine make the mother mistake. We go after more than 3 years. You see, not be say not they vandalize. No be say even they get belle. There is one at that time, I go come out. I remove one. Because that time not guessing I'll be small picky. But now I realize my mistake. I don't want it to happen. Okay. So if you stand your ground, you deal well, men will still respect you. But there are some women that time will be say they'll leave man, never reach 3 years, they'll still go born for another man. Which eye do you think somebody will take respect you? Which eye? You think say person man will take respect you? You know what I'm saying? Before me come see coin, I can't get my first pikin. Now the man still wish say make I get. And the father was aware. Then he be yeah, team we come for now. Man go say go come out, go come out. Go say go come out. Call the say I want born. Because I don't want disgrace. If you not say he agree, now he say me I get bread, man I really take born. He be. It's not at that time. More than 3 to 4 years. I get bread, I go come out because I don't want to make that mistake when I make last time I never get bread. Now I got the wise. I constantly do the same mistake. So I place them together. Say no. So when I see God here, when I get bread, if father was aware, if father said if even today, you know, he too. So you agree? Me and you go train pikin. I not there for my finish. I call the kind pikin up and down. I talk him. I not fit. He yet he come on up here. I let her know. Now 2 1 bond. Now 2 1 bond. You ready? Is our agreement. I not there for tomorrow. Can't do you call you do she like tell you. You don't know say you work about the money. Cancel forever. If now the last ogume, I go me. You don't see your pikin. I let her know. Let it be agreement between you and that man. If you cannot, it's not by force because you still have your own life to live. He have your own life to live. So not to use woo to come and hang out ourselves at the end tomorrow. You'll not be telling me, did I send you? We are not trying. I beg, say your mind. So it was the person. Then that is it. Accept your mistake before. But now open your eyes and learn. So that you will not fall victim again or not call the use and laugh you. They say me first he leave that man that time because he go back for another man for Bogo that time. He can you're for worst. Yes, you go for worst. But when I realize, when I live there, when I realize my mistake, even man will be say, man when he get to wife that time, he did Lagos. Wrote to me, they call that man that he get money, get to wife. He asked my aunt marry. I tell him, say, Lala, our last one was aware then. I say never. I never need that now. I never need. They say because even like a bend, or not say bend, then they call a bini or bend. They like that time still look good, look beautiful. If you see me that time, they say I don't get or more picky, so you go dinner because I dey glitter. I think I don't want to do so. I say no. I not feel marry man when he get to wife. He want to put stuff. I tell him, I say 9. As I say, don't they disturb me with picking and marry this one. I cut them up because I don't need stress. You they come up for stress. I make some men go to say some women the purposely they do. You they come up for stress, you they enter stress. So how people will take consider you? How people go take feel for you? How people will take no say that's it, that I not be really clear. Not for you. No, our women. Brush up yourself. They were say no to no. Say yes, be that doesn't mean that you not fuck. Go put that thing for a side body or the take tablet or wahama. Or if you the meat, drink them. Make sure you stand on your word. That time you see yourself. Then that time you see yourself, you will not look good. Men will come, they respect you. That time they say, he bought for this, he bought for that, he bought for this one, he do this one, he bought this one. Maybe for example, that time see come out, see go born 1 or 2 for another man before he can't be a coffee table. Which a man want to look. They'll say this one not where the purpose they do. So there are some things you are not doing purposely. There are some things you know mistake, but people will think maybe you are doing purposely. But when you now sit down and reason your life and say, no, this kind of life I don't need it. This is what I want to become. This is what I wish myself. This is good thing that I wish myself. You can see it will come to pass. Yes, it will come to pass. So then you have to kick out those rubbish. Now your pikin, take off your pikin. If now work, you want to follow. If now to just start your life, say this is what I want to be doing. People want to know me put now fashion or now model you want to do. You know many things there. There are some of our women they can read and write. Some of our women they know how to read and write. You can do it. Just model yourself. Just the glitter. You'll see. Good man will come your way. You will not be the person be hunting for men. Now with this some women not know men not they. Who tell you say men not they? Men they. Depends on how you put yourself. Depends on where you put yourself. No man will not like good thing. When you lose a 2 picket 3 now you don't say you want you be model, you want you be fashioned, you want the clothes not to the express. You build yourself. Now Instagram, Facebook or page you just get. You're the showcase only you go see her. Men go fair reason you say this one don't open wire. I don't want to go use myself, take throw bundle for them. They use how they scratch head. They don't know say this one when you build yourself like now they see there's no Tico. Hollywood actress. There's no Tico. Not say I take the dress. Many men are there inside, but they are scared. Who not balance and then they give her money. So say, oh, I love your shape, I love your this, I love your hips. Do you call and you give a card, do you put money? Boah. That is different women. Those make people take they make money. They'll say they love your this, they love your that, they love what you are doing. Give me your account, you want transfer you go. So you say they date the man, not the date. Just the looking and everything where you see, just admire and you love her. You go say put your account, go you put money. Boo. You will go check your account. You will be so surprised. You understand? Yes, thank you. You will be so surprised because you build up yourself. You know what you want. So my lady, I beg una. I know they do mistake again. I beg because myself I they give una hand. Now they try. Me setty. He setty kokobo bia. Yeti biefo na bia nu na e degbedo mu anya ho. O say mana gbashawo bi lawo bu. Yeti gbashawo no bia na okokomo. E dan won. O he yan ti gba ogo. No ya amu eko me be gbo. O he yan ti gba ogo bi. O na amu eko me. Where do I see la na ka see la. Even bobo. So our women son we know women we get soft hearts. Yes, we women we get soft hearts. A man you see perere us we just see for put bear. You know, many women, if you know they don't really get advisor, they don't know they deceive them, they don't know they talk truth. They just still believe and say, nah, no man, what they talk say na truth. Until that one go see put pepper for now, you go say, oh, we don't do another mistake. And a truth. Many you they believe one, not believe oh. Shine your eye. Tola wedgie. Clean yourself up. And some they come. So select. Brush up yourself. Forget all those nyama nyama chichichicha. No. Settle down. Cool your mind. Cool yourself. There are some men, women, when they break their hearts, or they run, or they rush find men. You will not get that right man you want at that right time. But when you bring yourself down, when you don't even expect and say, I'm fed up, I don't need it anymore. That time, good man will not come your way. Because you know why? You know they happy again. As in, your man know they say, fana. Your brother say you they hunt something. And that's way they hunt, don't know say you want cash and you go the wrong. But when you now ready yourself, brush yourself up, they live your free life, they go, you don't even send the game. You say, leave me alone. Even some men go they talk to you, say, leave me alone. That time your brain don't come. You don't come need that. At that time they will take come. That time good one, and you go come many pass when you go come. That time come they find you. Because you know why? Your mind not they don't already plan to move on with your life. Say, let me be, I want to become, I want to be sweet like this. You can't day sweet, you can't day okay. That time different men will come your way. Good man when you don't they want, don't they find long time, you can't see him. So my people, now here for end my topic, my people. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoy. Don't take it personal. I just give my advice for you to learn. That is it, guys. Thank you, everybody. I'm about to go now. Thank you. Bye. Mommy, hope all of you now. Thank you now. Bye. We'll see you later. Bye for now.